Today, we're going to show you how easy it is to make delicious, fresh pita bread using the Prokan Kano oven. With its precise temperature control and rotating stone, it's a breeze to bake the perfect bread. Let's get started. First, turn on the digital controller and set the temperature to 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit. The rotating stone ensures even heat distribution, so your pita bread bakes perfectly. While the oven heats up, sprinkle some flour on the table to keep the dough from sticking. Then, press the dough into a flat, round shape, just like this. When the oven reaches 250 degrees Celsius, place the dough directly on the pizza stone. Set the timer for 3 minutes, but if you like a lighter finish, 2 minutes works too. It's so much fun to watch the dough expand and puff up while it bakes. And here's our beautifully baked pita bread. For a little extra flavor, spray some oil on top right after cutting. That's how simple it is to make pita bread with the Prokan Kano oven. The precise temperature control and rotating stone make it quick and easy to get perfect results every time. Try it out and enjoy. Prokan, built for generations of gathering.